Hi there! While Sturmgeschütz 3 in painting works, we can shortly review one of the new kits available in markets. It's anti-aircraft gun, German 2cm Flak 38 from plastic, in 1:35 scale from ICM production. Also, I will show which upgrades suitable for this gun in my opinion. So 69 details totally in this small box, it's kinda okay, and 4 painting options, and it's very okay. So let's open this small cardboard doubled box, and inside we can find package with plastic details, instruction with assembling and painting guidance, and advertisement with ICM paints. Well, I'm not sure, but it may be absent in this box, depends on country you purchase in. Okay, let's put somewhere this box and other stuff and take a short look on these details. Only 2 frames, well, we have only 69 details, so 2 small frames with plastic pieces. Gray color, it's like an airplane kit in 1:72 scale, not bad airplane. The most interesting thing, 2cm anti-aircraft gun, automatic gun. It looks good except this muzzle brake. There is no hole in the barrel and no additional holes in muzzle brake itself. Well, it could be upgraded a little bit by drilling, or you can choose and upgrade metallic parts, for example some metallic barrels. Protection shield has not too much thickness, that's good. Platform has textures. Small details also not bad. Only one detail not used in this kit, according to instructions, this periscope, which is used in other version with this gun. That version with the crew, but we can put it somewhere near gun or inside truck if we used one of them. Main constructional elements consist from 2 layers which would be connected together. The vertical constructional elements which provide vertical movement consist from 2 parts each one as well. Well, connection should be okay, it's modern ICM kits, they good in work. And due to small amount of details, such a kit from the box, well, I guess it could be assembled in 1 day. But as always, it's better not to hurry up during scale models builds. Okay, what we can find in these instructions? Short historical reference that tells us that this short-range anti-aircraft gun, which is a modification of a little bit earlier version Flak 30, so this one Flak 38, it's one of the most popular and massively produced German guns which widely use, and not only against airplanes on short ranges of fire, but also against armor vehicles. About instruction, whole build located on several pages, and the build itself included 2 main options, with armored shield raised and without it. I will use, of course, with armored shield. And also it was used not located on the ground, but it was also could be placed inside the trucks or even on the tanks. So by this reason I decided to bought this kit. I want to put it inside one of the ICM's German trucks, which I also have in my collections. Well, they actually announced at least 1 truck with this gun. I'm talking about this Ford Multier with a little bit weird cabin. In German service it's called Sonderkraftfahrzeug 3B. A similar kit Italy has, but with other cabin. Also, we can find this kit with a crew, so there are different options that this kit can be used, and I think maybe some additional kits will appear in future. And 4 painting options, totally different painting options from earlier variant in German dark grey color to various camos units. All of them include decals, 3 of the units from Eastern Front and 1 for Italy. The most unusual piece here, I guess this one for 1945 with the winter camo. Small card with the decals also here, they are good. And let's put everything back to the box till the start of this project. So a good solution here would be a metallic barrel, and also not bad option, a pack of photo etch details from MiniArt. I have one. It's for artillery kits that we mentioned earlier, but I guess it could be used here. Also, this kit has both details for gun itself and for Ford Multier truck, so it might be interesting project. Big amount of metallic details, which gives us a lot of work with the replacing of in-box plastic details by the metallic one. For example, we can replace shield, we can add muzzle brake from metal. By the way, it might be a little bit challenging to bend it properly, and a lot of other details that could be replaced on this plastic gun. And that brings this kit on a higher level, but in-box build as well, also good solution for those who want just quickly and without additional headache assemble such a simple kit, I guess, and put it on a shelf. Anyway, such a short review, hope you enjoy. Building series should be in the next video. I hope at least one of the project would be completed very soon from our long to-do list. So thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.